Hello again and welcome to another stock update on IRNT. So as you can see from the big picture chart here, this stock has fallen a long way to get down to just 49 cents where it is right now. It's actually almost at like $49. So it's hardly surprising why it's getting a lot of chatter on the internet. Let's see if the hype is actually worth it though. Is this stock going anywhere? For this one, we really need to zoom in because as you can see by pressing the log scale here, and we can that kind of bunches the numbers up here so we can get more of a view. Let's zoom into the daily chart though, shorter term, and see where this could be taking us. The thing that strikes me very quickly as a trader is these big black bars here. That means that's high volume. That is, this stock is being acquired by the big money. Okay, there's a red one there as well. Ideally not like to see that, but this generally speaking is this big money trying to buy this stock. So if we just zoom in a little bit more again, let's do that. And then let's see if we can see any trends going on here. Not obvious to the untrained eye, but let's see if we can draw some lines on this and see if we can make some sense of it. There is an upwards trend line here. We can join that one like that and like so. And you can see it's bouncing off of that one, heading upwards, which is a positive thing. But there's another one here that's not entirely obvious, and it's forming what's called a rising wedge. And what's happening here is it's bouncing within this rising wedge. Now, what happens next is going to be important. This is the rules of the wedge. If it breaks below that, then this stock is probably heading further down, as in the closing price, not during the day, of course. And then, but if it breaks above that, which the odds favor that because this is turning upwards, then there should be higher prices ahead. So watch this carefully here. This price bump here around this 49 cents here. What's going to happen this week is probably going to be very telling for INT. So this isn't a bad point to actually buy this stock because the stop loss, if it goes wrong, i.e. breaks out of that wedge to the downside, is not much at all. And that's really the name of the game here. We're not making predictions. We're just looking for those setups where if you're wrong, you lose $1, and if you're right, you win 10. So that's all for this stock for now. I will speak to you next time.